Did that just wake you up? Because somewhere on a farm right now, a rooster just screamed at the sun. And the wild part? He did it before the sun even came up. Hey everyone, it's me, Globe. And today we're cracking open one of the loudest mysteries in the whole farm. Why do roosters crow in the morning? Because seriously, how does that fluffy little bird know exactly when to start yelling? Does he have an alarm clock? A tiny watch? A secret schedule? Stick around because the answer is hiding inside his head. Meet Cocky, our brand new clay rooster friend. Look at that bright red comb on top of his head, those shiny green tail feathers, and that proud little chest puffed out like he just won a trophy. Cocky is what we call a rooster, a male chicken, and he's the boss of the farm. Even Biscuit is staring at Cocky like he's never seen anything so fluffy in his life. Now here's the first big question. Roosters don't have phones, they don't have alarm clocks, so how do they know when morning is coming? Pencil thinks he has the answer. Pencil says, easy, the rooster just looks at the sun. Globe shakes his head. Nope, Pencil, way off. Because guess what? Roosters start crowing before the sun even shows up. So it can't be the sunlight waking them up. So what is it then? Drum roll, please. It's something called a circadian clock. And every rooster has one, right inside his brain. Even Pencil leaned in for this one. A circadian clock is basically a tiny invisible timer that ticks inside the rooster's body. It tells him, hey buddy, morning is coming. Time to make some noise. Scientists discovered that a rooster's inside clock runs on a loop of about 23.5 hours. So even if you put the rooster in a dark room with no sun at all, guess what? The rooster still crows right before dawn. Wild, right? But wait, where exactly is this clock? Is it in his belly? His feet? His shiny tail feathers? Pencil shouts, it's in the tail. Definitely the tail. Wrong again, Pencil. The clock lives in a teeny tiny spot inside the rooster's brain called the pineal gland. That's a fancy word for a little light-sensing button at the top of his head. Pretty cool, right? Now here's where things get even cooler. That pineal gland inside the rooster's brain can actually sense light, even through his skull. So when morning is just barely starting to glow, the rooster's little brain button whispers, "Showtime!" And boom! Cocky throws his head back and lets out a giant Wait, where did Biscuit go? Oh no, Biscuit is chasing Cocky around the tabletop. Biscuit's little legs are spinning, Cocky's tail feathers are flapping, and now they're running in circles around Globe. Pencil tries to break it up, but trips over his own feet. Biscuit and Cocky zoom past, looking like they're having the time of their lives. Okay, back to the lesson, you two. So here's a wild fact you'll love. Roosters crow all day, not just in the morning. Yep, the rooster crows when the rooster spots a sneaky fox. The rooster crows to tell other roosters, hey, this is my farm, back off. And the rooster even crows just because, well, he feels like it. Kind of like how Biscuit barks at absolutely nothing. Here's a secret fact for you. When a rooster opens his beak super wide to crow, his ear canals actually close up a little bit. Why? Because the rooster's own crow is so loud, about as loud as a lawnmower right next to you, it would hurt his own ears. So the rooster's body built him tiny, built-in earplugs. How cool is that? And get this, on a farm with lots of roosters, only the boss rooster crows first. The other roosters have to wait their turn. It's like a rooster ranking system. The head rooster yells first, and then the others answer one by one, from most important to least important. Pencil tries to test this on Biscuit. Pencil shouts, "Biscuit, go, your turn!" Biscuit just yawns and rolls over. Globe laughs. That's not how it works, Pencil. So, let's do the recap chant. Roosters have a clock inside their head, telling them dawn before they leave their bed. Pineal gland glows, they let out a sound. Loudest alarm clock in the whole town around.
So what did we learn today? Roosters crow because their bodies have a tiny built-in clock called a circadian clock, sitting right inside a part of their brain called the pineal gland. This little gland senses light and tells the rooster when morning is coming even before the sun rises. And roosters don't just crow in the morning. Roosters crow all day to talk to other roosters, claim their territory, and warn the farm about danger. Pencil tries one last bad idea. Pencil says, "So if I put a flashlight on my head, will I crow too?" Globe just stares at Pencil. Pencil, no, just no. And look, Biscuit is still chasing Cocky. Some things never change. Next time you see a rooster on a farm or hear that famous cock-a-doodle-doo sound on TV, you'll know exactly what's happening. That rooster isn't being annoying. That rooster isn't showing off. The rooster is just listening to the tiny clock ticking inside his own head, telling him a brand new day is about to begin. Pretty amazing for a fluffy little farm bird, right? If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and like this video below, and check out our playlists to see more amazing WonderClay adventures. Bye-bye!